In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a TradingView indicator script in our 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, being able to manipulate and personalize your chart indicators is a valuable skill. Let's get started with a simple step-by-step process. First, let's navigate over to the TradingView website. TradingView is a platform that offers advanced charting tools used by traders worldwide, so it's an essential go-to resource for analyzing financial markets. Once you're there and logged in, you'll want to click on the Chart tab to access all the tools you'll need for this tutorial. Next, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll see the Indicators button. Click on it to open a search box. This search feature is incredibly handy. It allows you to quickly find any indicator script you might need. For this demonstration, type in RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index. RSI is a commonly used momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements, helping traders identify overbought or oversold conditions. After typing in RSI, locate and click on the RSI indicator, or if another indicator suits your needs, select that one instead. Clicking on the indicator will add it to your chart, giving you a visual display and access to its settings. Now here's where the magic of customization begins. Look at the left side of your screen for the source code button. This option becomes available when the indicator you selected is open. Clicking on source code reveals the underlying script of the indicator. It's this script that allows TradingView's vast array of indicators to function, and editing it can offer a way to tailor it to your specific trading preferences. Once you have the source code open, you'll need to click on Open Trading Panel. This is essential because it facilitates making a working copy of the script, ensuring that any changes you make do not affect the original code. It's like creating a sandbox where you can experiment without any risk to the originals. The next step is to click on Create a Working Copy. This command lets you duplicate the script so you can edit it as needed to suit your particular strategies or interests. Following this, open the drop-down menu. Inside, you'll find several options. Look for Save Script and click on it. This step is vital for preserving any changes or custom settings you've applied to your copy. Finally, click Save to confirm that your custom script is stored. The last thing you'll want to do is click Add to Chart. This will place your personalized indicator directly onto your TradingView chart, integrating it seamlessly with your current workspace. There you have it. With these steps, you can now effectively copy, customize, and apply any TradingView indicator scripts to enhance your trading strategy. Happy trading, and may your charts lead to wise decisions and profitable endeavors.